Riches with niggas who come from nothing. Had to conquer my mind and decided to hone something. Wrote something down, hope to show 'em now. Never slowing down, speed it up, just keeping it moving. Mainstream or underground, I run this town. Beast are like some animals, eating rap is cannibal. Taking faces Hannibal, friendly I'm intangible. Hard to handle, putting heads up on my mantle. Lead by example and never flop like I ain't heard of sandal shit. I'm right here, using things that I thought I lost. I root for my brute force, running phase and walk it off. Kinda sick, I stop and cough on dropping off these bodies from a city where hating niggas hunt you down with shotties, make it personal. You wanna know what hurts the most? Successful, weak niggas wild, beats niggas versatile, what's gotta stop? Some might say I probably drop cause that drug floor beat beats. Fuck around, get mollywop, 9/11, call a cop. Probably hit a couple fast, bottoms up, I'm taking shots. They roll out like Autobots, I'm gone, I'm on. I gotta keep on my mission, never get it twisted. I'm winning, no time for an intermission, I'm in my zone. But I can't stop there. Circumstances enhancing this pain's not there, but I'm not scared. I'm attacking my identity. God mode, but still keep my faith in Holy Trinity. Remember me.
How can you listen to this rapper? Taking it too far, now the things he loves the most. Feels good to discard, like take those rhymes to make his life more life than ours. He has a vision, sees success in niggas way passions and cars. And so I get your heads out boxes, pass around my language. Eat it up, don't heat it up, can't have enough flame that it came with. Know the strangest thing in life, but what feels right, you're going insane with. Walk up from the light, just make this nightmare entertaining. Catch a shadow, but reel it in. Just let him catch it, watch the struggle, and see it in. All on CNN, let's make the news. Let's make a move, they're trying to keep me stagnant. Laughing at the conflicts, but for that I'm taking action. Seeing people just give up, living life ain't just enough. Let's live a dream, I'm dreaming of a life I haven't seen. Let's make it business for the magazines and tracking scenes that got me tripping. And that for business got me packing things with bad intentions. Taking over, hoping that you know it. Making music, smoke some weed, the life ways of a poet. Light it up, let's all forget. Was it all for this? The ashes burning at the hole. Shit is what it is. It's like I'm paid to pay attention. Say what isn't funny as the money bags and feels like witches. How can these bitches miss it? I'm gone. Searching for a witness, now I'm on. Bitches know I'm going in. Bitches call me Vaughn.